We have a excessive heat warning today, so it's supposed to excuse me, get up into the hundreds with a heat index even higher. And so last night I walked Link at like midnight when it was nice and cool outside, and then I need to go walk him now. It is 76 degrees. It is 8:30 in the morning. I need to walk him now because the temperature is only going to get higher. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do first thing. So I was sitting here waiting for this lady to come pick up these looms that I was selling. Apparently I was selling for $5. It was like a pack of 4, and I threw in some yarn and a little pack of scissors and a little hook thing. But apparently they make them for the homeless. They make hats for the homeless with them, so that's nice. I'm glad that it went somewhere like that. But I'm waiting here with my book, and I'm reading my book, and then I get an email. Trisha Coleman, girl, thank you for the Starbucks gift card. Ashley, Keto Jinx, thank you for the Starbucks gift card. Holy freaking heck, you guys. Holy heck. Holy heck. I can't, I'm so speechless. I got one yesterday. I have so much Starbucks money. Oh my god, I have so much Starbucks money. So much. I'm so excited. Like, I don't have to buy coffee for I don't even know how long. This is exciting. Exciting! I need to put on makeup and I need to go get me some Starbucks. It's my birthday and I get a free drink. So I'm gonna go get my free drink. Yes! Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 37 years old. I am a mom to 4 beautiful kids, a fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I would really like it if you'd give me a clicky. If you want, you can give me this clicky. I can't make you do it, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But it helps my channel grow. It helps me get out there into the YouTube keto universe and helps me get recommended and more people come to my channel. So if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. Reese and I are on our way to Starbucks. Thanks to all of you, Allison, Ashley, Trisha. We have Starbucks for days. So we are going to go to Starbucks, get Link a pup cup. I'm going to get a coffee and maybe a drink for later, and Reese is going to get a dragon fruit. So let's go. I hate the Bixby button on all phones. If you work for Samsung, please know I hate it. Like anybody works for Samsung that's watching my video right now, right? Anyways, just left Starbucks and they gave Link a pup cup. I didn't even ask. They seen him and they're like, would you like a pup cup? Of course. Please don't put my hoodie on the floor. Why'd you put it on the floor? I can't drink my coffee yet because I asked for my heavy whipping cream on the side and they neglected to give that to me. But I got a, well, first I was going to try a drink. They switched out their drinks. I was going to get a Trenta iced, unsweetened pineapple black tea with sugar-free vanilla and a splash of heavy whipping cream. But she said they changed their stuff around so they don't have it anymore. So that was devastating because that sounded really good. And I don't trust their other bases because she named off like 3 other bases and I was like, are those unsweetened? And she's like, they come unsweetened but they're a little bit sweet. Okay, what does that mean? They come unsweetened but they're a little bit sweet? I don't trust it. I need to do research before ordering it. I did really good yesterday on tracking and eating everything, and I'm actually down to 3, or that would be up 232.8. Now that's still 0.8 up from my lowest weight, but if you remember, yesterday I was 234. So I'm not about to drink a Starbucks drink and mess it up. So Reese got himself one of those dragon fruit mango infusions. It looks really good. And I just got a venti iced coffee with no classic, and that's it, because I was going to add my own sweetener and I just wanted the heavy whipping cream on the side. So I'm kind of annoyed they forgot to give it to me and I forgot to ask, because really I just wanted to get out of the line. But oh well.
There's no people behind us.
And my drink was free. I know, I wanted to get out of the line though, because like Link was licking whipped cream all over you. I got my drink for free because it is my birthday, so yay. And then I guess today between 3 and 6 is happy hour, where you buy one get one free. So maybe I'll go back and try to do more research and try to get a tea later. I don't know. Hey guys, so Reese and I just went and we dropped off the money to my friend who lent me the money, and we decided to go to my P.O. box, and I am just a little teary-eyed because I received a letter with this beautiful, beautiful flower. It's beautiful. And on the photo it says, always remember you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. I love this. I'm about to cry. The letter says, and I will probably leave some stuff out just because they asked not to share their identity, so, but it just says, happy birthday, Nacine. If I'm a little late with the birthday wishes, sorry. I can be so lame at times. I hope your birthday is great, whatever you do, or that you are just feeling great. My husband and I started keto on March 4th and stumbled upon your channel. We both watch, but we're not on YouTube. And so, they do view my channel regularly, but they don't leave comments or anything like that because they don't have a channel. And this one's for you, Melanie. They thought that our keto collaboration parody was hilarious. They like the potato part. And the picture is from their garden. They took it about 4 years ago. They didn't even plant the flower. The seed just kind of made its way there. So this is my favorite part of the letter. I guess you just never know what life will bring you. And that is so, and then they signed it, hey girl, hey, in their name. Oh my god. Yeah, that, I like that. That is so great. I really, really love that. I love all my birthday wishes today, and I absolutely love this flower. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. It fell off. Oh my god. We're coming up to a stoplight. It just fell down again! It just fell down! There's this man walking, and he's opening a pack of cigarettes or something, and we're pulling up to the light, and this man's pants start falling down. They fell all the way down. All the way down. And he didn't even stop to pick them up. He just kept walking. And
they fell down again.
And then as soon as I hit record to tell you guys this, they fell down again. What the heck? I think I need to go buy him a belt. His pants fell all the way off. What? Hey guys, I am on point today. All right, listen to this. I didn't break my fast until 1 o'clock. Okay, had my plain black coffee from Starbucks, unsweetened. I put my own heavy cream in it, 2 tablespoons, my own collagen, my own little banana. I say this and I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. The Sweet Life. This is banana caramel. I love that stuff. Put a little drop in it. Tastes really good. That, then I came home. I put like, I'll show you the macros, but basically this is romaine, iceberg lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, ranch, and chicken. Flavored, seasoned with Fresh Jax. Link is going crazy right now. Seasoned with Fresh Jax Keto Chop House. Again, always, as always, in the description box, there is a link where you can save 15% on Fresh Jax. I absolutely love Fresh Jax. Totally recommend it. This is Keto Chop House. It is so good. You can put this on steak, chicken, pork chops, veggies, anything. It's good. I got lots of fresh Jax stuff, you guys. Lots. All kinds. I also, you know what? I'm going to put some of this in my coffee today, too. This pumpkin spice pie. Pumpkin pie spice. Why not? It's my birthday. And it's all organic. There's no added ingredients. There's no carbs. There's nothing. You guys. Fresh Jax. This is almost gone. Hello. I love this. Garlic herb. Island spice. Campfire. I use these things all the time. This, I love putting in like soups. I have toasted onion, one of my favorites. I do have a breakfast one, everything but the bagel. This is a Trader Joe's one, but the other one is actually upstairs at my desk because I was putting it on some cream cheese. Grill Master, habanero lime, and Bold Bayou. This stuff is so good, you guys. I definitely recommend it. I recommend giving it a try. You will not regret it. But yeah, I cooked up a bunch of chicken breasts, so I'll be able to be making sure I'm getting my proteins in. Oh, and there it is. My son went and got it for me. Brunch Life. Yeah, this is really good. So that's my collection. And I'm really digging this eye look today. What are you doing to my chicken? Put that down. I fed you, child. All right, I'm gonna eat. And our internet's back on. All right, probably not leaving this in, but I wanted to try on my bathing suit from a few years ago that I've only wore one time. It's loose and there's plenty of room. It's especially loose here. Like, I don't feel comfortable wearing this because it's so loose up here. This is where I've lost a lot of weight, that and my butt. So it's much slimmer now than what it used to be. Like, I used to look like I was 9 months pregnant when I wore this. This is a huge insecurity for me, and I can't believe I'm about to post this on the internet. I don't think I'm going to wear this one tomorrow to the beach because of how loose it is here, and I feel like one good wave and the girls would be out. So this is option number 2 that I have. This top, it's like big here, but the part that holds this on fits just fine. So it is like sort of see-through, but not really a lot. And then I hate my legs, guys. But then there's just these, which fit me okay. So I think this is the one that I'm going to wear to the beach tomorrow because, as you can see, this one secures everything. I'm not going to worry about a big wave coming through and smashing it all out. But this is me. All right, guys, this is dinner. So this is 103 grams of fresh green beans from my friend's garden. I cooked them in some water, some salt, and some butter. And then this is about, what was it, 163 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I cooked up earlier. There's 2 left. I'm going to use these for salads, whatever. I'm just going to keep them. The boys wanted chicken nuggets, so. But this is what I'm going to have. I can't wait to eat these. These look really, really good. And this chicken I already know is really good. And I went over just a tad on everything except for carbs. So I will include my macros up off on the side, and I don't know, I might close this vlog out. If I have anything else to say, then I'll add it in. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for all the birthday wishes, you guys. I love you guys so much. Oh, hey guys, I also wanted to let you know I fixed merch. I made some really cool merch. If you go to the Teespring link down below, tell me what you guys think. They are all ready to go, available. You can buy anything if you're interested. I think they look really cool. So let me know. Hey, there's a kid.